So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and win this Euro 2024 tournament in a legendary mode. As you can see right there, difficulty legendary, it says it right there, and I'm in the final with Georgia. So Georgia, as you know, is one of the Euro 2024 countries, but you can't say it's one of the best nations, right? They don't have the highest overall cards in this game, but I've still won it very, very easily, and it's actually quite easy to go ahead and win Euro 2024 tournament. I'm gonna go ahead and give you some tips and tricks when I go ahead and get into the game, and I'm gonna play it live and show you how I win it. I'm gonna be playing England in the final right there, as you can see. It was very, very easy, to be fair. It was very, very easy indeed. Let me go ahead and check out the rewards there. So we're gonna get 600 points, journey points right there when we actually win it for the first time, and then we're gonna get 150 points afterwards in the legendary mode. But obviously we're gonna get first time rewards in every single mode right there. So let's go ahead and basically get into the match, and let's see how we can play against England right there. As I said, it is quite easy. For me at least, it was very, very easy, but I'm gonna give you some of the tips that you can use to go ahead and win this Euro 2024 tournament. By the way, please like and subscribe, that would help me out a lot, and it's completely free, so you can definitely do it. This is my team right there with Kvaratskhelia and Mikautadze. Mikautadze up top. So here we go. So first of all, what you need to do is when you are defending, I'm definitely calling up my second defender, and I'm getting that ball as soon as possible. The final might be a lot harder than the other ones, but then when you actually get the ball, passing around a lot of times definitely helps. And when you are one-on-one on a defender, you can definitely go ahead and use your skill moves like roulette. But also you should definitely use your power shot. I've scored so many goals using power shot. I'm gonna score a couple in this one. I'm pretty sure about that. It's gonna be very, very easy to score some goals with power shot. So pretty much what you need to do is just go ahead and shoot a power shot, I guess, on max level, right? For example, we've got Kvaratskhelia there. As you can see, I'm gonna shoot, and we hit the bar. We go very, very unlucky, but most of the times those type of shots are gonna go in, especially if you don't go for like full power, but just below full power, it's most likely gonna go in. If you go ahead and try it again with Mikautadze, he's right-footed, so I'm gonna try a right-footed shot. Here we go. Look at that. Look how easy it is. With Mikautadze right there, we managed to score a power shot from far away. This is how you can go ahead and win this one very, very easily. As I said, look at that. You can even score power shot goals like a lot farther away than this one right there. So just go ahead and get that ball as soon as possible. Call your second defender, and then when you go on an attack, you can obviously go one-on-one and score an easier goal, but I think scoring power shot goals are quite easy as well, especially if you're centrally like that. Kvaratskhelia is going to take a shot. Okay, Maguire did manage to block that, but if defenders don't block it, then you have most likely scored it if you are shooting from a decent position. Like if it is like a very, very bad angle, you might not score. I wasn't really paying attention there, but Mamardashvili is still there to clear that ball, and it's a throw-in for England. But you pretty much get the gist, right? Very, very easy for me at least to go ahead and win this match with even Georgia. I chose Georgia, of course, that's my country, and I would love Georgia to win the Euros. This is the first time we are in the Euros, by the way. We have never been in the Euros or in the World Cup or anywhere with Georgia, so I'm very, very excited for this one. I'm obviously not 100% sure we're gonna win it, but I do have hope. I can't lie, I do have hope. Let's go ahead and try. Okay, it's the end of the first half. Right, in the first half I only scored one goal, but I think if I was a bit more focused, I could have scored a couple more. And if I wasn't talking, I could have scored a couple more. But yeah, it's very, very easy to win this one. When you are one-on-one on the defender, you can go on and do this. And then, obviously, I went towards Declan Rice there, which I should not have done. But if the defender is not on you, you can score those power shots quite easily. Let's go ahead and get that ball with Guram Kashir right there. Douali, then Chukwueze, sorry. Kvaratskhelia, let's go ahead and roulette. And, I don't know what I did there. I was trying to pass, but I guess it did not register right there. Then Phil Foden is that? Yeah, Foden against Kakabadze, and he got past Kakabadze there. He's gonna cross most likely, isn't he? He is gonna cross to Kane, and Douali is there to clear that ball. Chukwueze to Kvaratskhelia. Obviously, when you score one goal, you don't really need to score any more goals, but you can score more goals if you want to be a bit safer. I feel like this final is a bit harder than the other ones, but it's still quite easy. You're not gonna concede goals. At least it's very hard for you to concede goals, in my opinion. Let's go ahead and pass that ball. I could have scored a goal there, but it's okay. Let me go ahead and pass it to Chukwueze there. I was gonna say Kvaratskhelia, but that's Chukwueze. Let's go ahead and power shot. And okay, Pickford managed to save that one, but it was a good strike either way, right? It was quite a good strike either way. Let me go ahead and just pass that ball to Mikhail, then Khojorashvili. Let's go ahead, and I wanted to try power shot again. Khojorashvili is right-footed, so I wanted to bring that ball to my right foot. Didn't really work too well. I'm just trying to score power shots because I love those type of goals. I can't lie, I love those type of goals a lot. Khojorashvili with a long range goal. Okay, he missed that one. He's not the best at shooting, maybe, but yeah, I scored those type of goals a lot with Kvaratskhelia, for example, in some of the other matches. Maguire, 2 stones. Sivziwadze was not able to get that ball. Saka, and that's the end, right? It is the end, or it's almost the end. We're probably gonna win this one, and this was my first goal at the tournament as well. Most of the matches I won like 3-4-0, and this one, maybe if I wasn't talking and if I wasn't commentating, I would have won it quite a lot easier as well. It was quite easy, to be fair, as well. When I scored one goal, I was never gonna concede, let's be honest. Either way, we won it. I would love this to be in real life as well, obviously. I would love it, but yeah, we'll see what happens. 5 shots, 3 on target, definitely deserve to win that match, and we've got match highlights as well. Here we go, Mikhail, and a good strike, obviously, from far range. That power shot right there. Are we gonna see it a lot of times now? I wish I didn't hit record, because I wish I didn't hit that highlight button. That should be it, right? Oh no, we got one more reply. Let's go ahead and I guess watch this one as well then. Are we gonna watch it again, or is it done? That is done. Okay, here we go. Match stats, match highlights. We can go and check everything like that, and we have won the whole tournament in the legendary mode. As you can see right there, very nice animation. Euro 2024, we are the champions with Georgia again. I would love this to be in real life as well in a couple of weeks when Euro 2024 ends. We got 150 journey points, and we're gonna get 600 extra because we won it for the first time as well. And can we use it in the store now? We can play again, of course. Can we use it in the store? I want to see where I can use those points, journey points. Let me go into the store now, and probably in exchanges, tournament. We cannot use it there yet. Items. Okay, can we not use it yet? I'm not sure if we can use those points yet or not. I guess we cannot yet, but we're gonna be able to use them soon. Let me actually double check that. Let me go ahead and click on those rewards and see if we can actually, where we can actually use it. This can be earned from it and used to gain rewards from the rewards chapter. Rewards chapter, where is the rewards chapter? Let me know down in the comment section, because I'm not actually 100% sure.